Finally, I'm so excited now. I received my Temu order, the first one here on the Canary Islands. And so let's see what it's inside. Okay, let's start to open the first package, and so we will see what we have here. The first mold is a palette for painters. One is an inlay. So then I have here some cups for channel cup, for example. You can see this my already favorite one. It's a gecko mold. So I'm so excited to make something special with him. So let's see what I can do. The next one is a normally coaster. So this is the normally what everybody has. So but I didn't have one. So I will try as well in the coming videos something with this mold. So now we have a channel cup. So the next here we have a picture frame. It's in a moon version. So I will try to open it. It's a little bit tricky. But okay, so now here we have, it has a little bit texture inside the moon, so I think I will do some really great resin picture frames with it. So I ordered as well some powders, some metallic ones with and pastel colors. I like these ones because everybody has the same chameleon powders, but I was looking for something special, so I will try also these pastel color powders. So, what is coming next? We will have a look and open this one. I'm excited what it is. Oh, this is the book stand. Yes, this is also nice. I will try it out. We have some chains, or maybe you can use it as well like sun catchers with underwater themes. So I have different ones. Here you can see the octopus. Then we have as well in dolphin. Furthermore, the crab as well. So it's nice. So here we have the shark. And then we have a seahorse, and then we have a turtle one, and the last one is the sea star. So next on my list is a UV resin that I also ordered So let's have a look how it is. So 500, yes, half a liter. So yeah, this is also good. I really need it. So then another coaster mold. So let's see what we have here right now. This is a coaster, I guess, and the flower ones that I ordered, yes. Here is also nice, I love it. We do some nice creations. So now let's have a look. What is this? This is just a stick stands, 3 different ones. So let's open this as well and have a look. Because I think it was here with the moon and the stars as well, and one simple normal one with nothing. So I will try this as well. And last but not least, the pot coaster to protect a little bit heat as well. The silicone one, but I will use it for the resin stuff. So finally, I would say this was a good decision to order these things here. I was waiting nearly, I guess, 2 weeks or something like that, and without any extra cost for delivery. So wow, and for a really good price. So I spent, I think, 60 euros or something, around about 60 euros. Okay, so good. I will try out the molds in my following videos, and I can give you also recommendations after I'm trying everything. And yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you soon in the next videos when I will try my new molds. Bye bye.